If you're looking to add bullet points to your Google Sheets, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you a few simple methods to get those bullets firing. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Jump into the Google Sheets document where you want to add bullet points. Step 2. Choose your method. There are a couple of ways to add bullet points. Use a keyboard shortcut. Place your cursor in the cell where you want the bullet, then press Alt-7 on the numeric keypad for a round bullet. Copy and paste. Find a bullet point from another document or website, copy it, and paste it into your cell. Step 3. Add your text after inserting the bullet point. Type your text next to it. Step 4. Format as needed. Adjust the spacing or alignment as necessary to make your list look neat and organized. Step 5. Repeat for additional bullets. Copy the bullet point and paste it into other cells to create a list, or use the fill handle to drag the bullet point down or across. And that's how you add bullet points in Google Sheets. If this tutorial hit the mark, please like and subscribe for more organizational tips.